everyone, let's practice all the sounds of vowel letter A. This video is for the beginners. Before going to the video, let's recap the alphabet letters. There are 26 alphabet letters in that. A, E, I, O, U or the vowel letters. We are going to learn the sounds of vowel letter A. Then comes E, I, O, U. Then the consonant letters are other than A, E, I, O, U. All the other letters are consonant letters. Keep it in mind, these consonant letters and vowel letters, and follow me. Here comes first short vowel A. What's the sound of short vowel A? The sound for short vowel A is A. A. When it follows consonant letter, here it follows consonant letter yum. Am words. Some of the am words. Let's read some of the am words. K, am, a, k, a, cam, p, a, pa, pam, t. See, it follows yum, so a becomes a. Dam, ram, am, ham, am, sam, am, jam, am, yam. Ye follows yen, in, an words. Let's read an. Some of the an words. An, ban, an, pan, an, can, an, tan, an, fan, an, ran, an, man, in, wan. Next comes vowel letter A follows P. App. Keep it in mind, the sound for AP is app, or write it in your notebook. AP app, because this AP app will be useful when you're reading bigger words. So app is very important word, important ending word, app. Keep it in mind, app. So app, cap, app, nap, app, gap, app, rap, app, lap, app, sap, app, map, app, tap. Next comes at, at. It's not at. At is a sight word. This is at ending words. Keep it, write it in a separate notebook. AP follows at. This will be useful for reading bigger words. Because when you are reading attain, attendance, this at you will be useful. At, bat, at, mat, at, cat, at, pat, at, fat, at, rat, at, hat, at, sat. A in the and ending words, ang ending words. Write it down in your notebook. And, ang, and, band, bull, bland, and, hand, gland, land, ist, stand, sand, brand, and ending words. Ang, ang, bang, ang, rang, ang, fang, ang, sang, ang, gang, slang, ang, hang, sprang. in it. Ant. Ant is a word, but here the ant, ant ending sound. We are dealing with the sound ant ending sound. A sh ish, ash ending sound. Write it down. Ant ash, ant grant, ant pant, pill plant, rant, sk isk scant, ch chant, sl slant, ash ash ending sound. Ash bash, ash hash, ash cash, ash lash, ash dash, ash mash, ash gash, ash rash. Note it down in your notebook. Ant ant, ash ash ending sounds. Here vowel letter A follows the consonant letter A, follows the consonant letter L, and then it follows E. The ending letter is E. If a vowel follows the consonant and end with E, it's long vowel A. A, the consonant letter L is there, so Ale. E keeps silent. E, you have to write E, but no sound. Ale ending words. Ale, bale, ale, male, ale, dale, ale, pale, ale, gale, ale, sail, ale, hail, ale, tail. Vowel letter A follows the consonant letter D and at the end E. Vowel, consonant, E, aid. E remains silent. You have to write E. If there is no E, means the sound for AD is add. Since E is there, it becomes vowel A becomes A. So write it down in your notebook. Ale, aid in your old mother tongue. So if, aid, fade, bill, blade, aid, jade, gr, aid, grade, aid, made, aid, shade, aid, wade, aid, trade. A, since E is there, A becomes long. Ain. If E is not there, it becomes short vowel. An. Since E is there, A becomes A sound. Ain. A's. Write it down. Ain, A's in your notebook. And get it thorough with all these sounds. Ain, bane. Ain, main. Ain, cane. Ain, pain, ain, Jane, ain, sane, ain, lane, ain, crane. A's ending sound. A's, days, A's, maze, A's, face, A's, raise, A's, gaze, bill, blaze, A's, haze, A's, craze. We have read short vowel A, long vowel A sounds. Now, vowel together, A, vowel letter A together with AI sounds A. Ain, it's not A, it's A, ain. It's little changes there. Not A sound, it's A. Main, it's like A only, it's A, slight difference. Main, drain, rain, grain, brain, train, train, chain, st or stir, s is stir, strain, ail, ale ending sound, ale, bail, ale, male, ale, fail, ale, nail, ale, hail, pale, jail, sail. So write it down in a notebook. ain, ain, ail, ale. Here the sound for a is ah, Oz. ASS, Oz ending sound. Here comes ash, ASH, ash ending sound. So let's first read Oz ending sound. Oz, boz, br, bras, oz, laws, claws, oz, moz, oz, glass, oz, pause, oz, grass. Next comes ash. See here, two consonant letters, ASS is there. Here comes Oz ending sound. Here ASH. The sound together SH is ish sound. Ish, ash. So here ash, bash, ash, hash, ash, cash, ash, lash, ash, dash, ash, mash, ash, gash, ash, rash. Write it down in your notebook. ASS, os, os. It's not as. As is a word. It's a donkey. We call the other name for donkey is as. But here we are dealing with the sound. ASS, os. ASH, ash ending sound. A follows two consonant letters, RT. A becomes R sound. Write it down in a notebook. ART, art ending sound. Art, 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 ARK. A follows two consonant letters, mostly, not always. ASS, Oz. We have learnt in the previous page. ASS, Oz. Two consonant letters. Here comes ART, art. Two consonant letters. ARK, arc. Write it down in a notebook. ARK, arc. ART, art in your mother tongue. So that you'll see, it will be very useful for reading bigger words. See, art, cart, art, part, art, dot, art, tart, art, heart, art, what, art, mart, ist, art, start, arc ending words, arc, bark, arc, mark, arc, dark, ish sound, arc, shark, arc, lark, isp, arc, arc, park, ist, stark. The sound for A together with vowel letter Y is A sound. Write it in your mother tongue. A-Y, A sound. It always comes at the end of a word. A, bay, A, may, A, day, A, nay, A, hey, A, pay, A, lay, A, say. Next comes the vowel letter together with W. W is a consonant letter. When it follows the vowel letter, it becomes vowel. See, A follows W, it becomes vowel. A, W together sounds ah, car. Write it down. A, W, aw sound. When it comes at the end, it's aw, caw, aw, raw, aw, jaw, aw, saw, aw, law, claw, aw, paw, aw, draw. A-R-E is or if it is in a sentence. It's a sight word. A-R-E or is a sight word. We are dealing with the sound. Here, A-R-E is air. A-I-R also air, and get thorough with these A-R-E air words and A-I-R air words. Write it down in a notebook. A-R-E air, A-I-R also air. Get thorough with these words. Air, bear, air, air, mare, air, cat, air, rare, air, dare, air, ware, air, fair, full, air, flat. AI or air words. Air, air, pair, air, fat, air, chair, air, hair, full, air, flare, air, lad, air, star. Concentrate more on this page. See, we are going to recap all the sounds what we have read. Short vowel sounds: a, m, am, an, ap, at. You can also substitute other consonant letters: b, ab, c, ac, d, ad, f, af, g, ag, h, this comes for expressions: ag, aj, oj, ak, ak, al, all, m is there, n is there, p is there, q, a, q, u, ac, a or r, or, as, av, av, ay, az, oz. Like this, you can substitute all the other consonant letters. The short vowel sound for a is a. Now comes and ending words, ang ending words, ant ending words. Right? I have written 2 times ant. Then ash ending words. Now comes long vowel ave, ave. You can substitute other consonant letter. Instead of v, you can write b, abe. C means aze, aid, if, age, aim, ain, and then ape. You can substitute consonant letters. Eight, ale, aid is there, ain is there, ace is there, and asc is not there, ace, ape, ape, ade, aid. You can substitute the consonant letters. Now comes ain, ain, ale. Likewise, you can substitute. Instead of n, you can write b. B means abe. You can write C, A, not C, aid. If you substitute instead of L, D, aid, AIF, AIF, and AIK, ache, there is no word, AIM, aim, AIN, ain, AIP, ape, AIR, there is word we have written there, or yes, T, eight, AIT, eight. So you can substitute like this. ASS, Oz, ART, ought. If A follows 2 consonant letters, mostly the sound for A is aw. ART, ought. ARK, ork. Always, if A follows or, it's aw sound. AY, A, it comes at the end. AW, aw. ARE, air. AI or air. Get thorough with these sounds. You will be able to read words confidently. Thank you.